अब तक हमने देखा कि हमारे देश में मानसिक स्वास्थ्य को लेकर हालात कितने खराब हैं and how the government has fallen short in taking steps and especially in the implementation. Dr. Goti,
गोटी गोटी
आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है सरकार क्या कर सकती है इन्हें सुधारने के लिए?
We can do data manipulation.
Ramadir ji, just as you pointed out that the government's healthcare budget is just 1.5% of our GDP, we have to increase this to at least 2.5% of GDP and increase the mental health care spending in this from 0.05% to at least 5% of the healthcare budget. This will provide the much needed shot in the arm for the National Mental Health Program. The government has been lagging in the implementation of Mental Health Care Act 2017. It must be implemented effectively and efficiently with the establishment of National Mental Health Authority, the respective state mental health authorities and the Mental Health Review Board. आयुष्मान भारत के तहत प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में जस्ट लाइक अदर इलनेसेस मेंटल हेल्थ ट्रीटमेंट देना भी कंपलसरी किया जाना चाहिए. A dedicated mental health ambulance service and a 24/7 nationwide mental health helpline service must be established. We need many more government mental hospitals. We need mental health wards in all government hospitals. A psychiatry department in all medical college must be established. PhD in psychology must be encouraged. Mental health professionals should be available at every educational institution at every level. A very good initiative recently launched by MHRD, School Wellness Program under Ayushman Bharat, which includes emotional well-being, mental health and interpersonal relationships, should be fast-tracked and implemented judiciously in all schools. Social media is the fastest way to spread information. Public awareness campaigns on social media and otherwise can go a long way in removing the taboo and stigma around mental health and educate people to have an open discourse on mental health. We need to develop e-health and m-health platforms.
Get me a drink, please.
सारे काम मैं ही करूं.
आपकी क्या राय है डॉक्टर साहब? सोसाइटी इन हालातों के लिए किस हद तक जिम्मेदार है और आप और हम मिलकर इस मेंटल हेल्थ नाम के पेंडेमिक से कैसे लड़ सकते हैं?
रामाधीर जी, इसकी शुरुआत घर से ही होती है. पेरेंट्स को वापस बच्चों तक पहुंचाना होगा. Children should be able to share their feelings and issues with them freely. और बच्चों को वापस प्लेग्राउंड तक पहुंचाना होगा. Healthy competition can be the motivator for a lot of people, but comparisons are unhealthy. Society should not turn into a pressure cooker. We should accept ourselves as we are and our feelings, positive or negative. It is culturally and socially reinforced that there is something wrong or shameful about feeling sad. Suppressing sadness will only lead to more sadness and stress. Our negative emotions, which we are so much biased against, can guide our rational thinking. Sadness is a trigger for seeking comfort and bonding. It helps us understand who we really are. If we see someone close to us experiencing mental health issues, we should take responsibility to intervene and help them rather than regretting later. Then there is the taboo and stigma around mental health in our society. People use derogatory terms like puglet or psycho for the people suffering from it. उसका बेटा तो पागल है, उसका बेटा तो साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जाता है. अगर टाइफाइड होगा तो ये नहीं बोलते कि उसका बेटा तो टाइफाइड है. Now this is just a disease like other diseases, which can be cured with the right treatment and support. There is an urgent need for awareness building so that people can identify the signs of mental health issues through workshops and programs in schools, colleges, corporations, and community. The stereotyping of mentally ill people by depicting them as criminals and in chains in movies must be stopped. They should be portrayed in a positive manner.
हम नेता लोगों का भी मुजरिम की तरह बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप किया जाता है.
Employers should not put employees under enormous stress, and they should also employ people with mental disability at any capacity they can. Yoga and meditation are effective tools for preventing and curing mental health illnesses, especially in a country like India where we lack resources and a lot of people can't afford professional help.
डॉक्टर गोटी, आपसे मुझे और हमारे दर्शकों को बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला। आपका हमारे प्रोग्राम में जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो ये थी हमारी खास रिपोर्ट, और ऐसी ही और खास रिपोर्ट्स हम आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे अपने प्राइम टाइम शो पर, जिसका नाम है
अब तो सच बोल दे
भूतनी के। अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर करें, और हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें 3 द पीपल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त रामाधीर चौधरी, और आप देख रहे हैं बी न्यूज़, सबसे सेफ।